What it do, gang? Y'all can hear me? You know what I'm saying? What it do? We about to hop into a little VFX tutorial. You guys asked me, right? First thing I'm gonna say is, bruh, drop a comment, please. Like, I be asking y'all to comment and y'all watch and I get all these views and then it's like, I don't get no comments. Like, tell me what y'all want to see more of. You're watching this video, so just be like, oh, I want to see more of this, more of that. Give me some stuff to create because I want to like flood y'all with content. But if I don't know what y'all want, how am I supposed to help? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to help you if you don't tell me how to help you. You get what I'm saying? But about to hop right into a little VFX, quick little VFX vibe, man. Command Shift 5. Get that screen recording going. Go ahead and start it up. I'm putting everything in filming mode. Let everybody know, bro. Do not bother me, bro. I'm put thing, boom. I'm gonna put it on filming. Put that thing on filming, guys. Smart thing. Get you like a D&D mode. That's called filming. And when you filming or you doing a photo shoot, you don't get interrupted because it will throw your mind off. Like you'll be like the moment you get like a message or something, you're like, ugh, like you don't want to be bothered. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but we're about to go ahead and start, man. We're on here. You guys can see this is the image that we have. So I got recommended, well, not recommended, but Alexa, play J. Breezy. I don't think he's signed. I'm trying to play people who don't have signatures because we can get copyrighted. You know what I mean? So what I was thinking is I don't think I come on here with enough energy. So I'm sorry, you guys. If I sniffle 4 times, I'm a little sick. If I sniffle a few times, I'm a little bit sick, you guys. I don't know what happened, but I got hit like a brick 2 days ago. And yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the image that we have. This is the before, this is the after. Yeah, I can see the vibes. I just played around with a little bit the head, a little bit of smoothing it in. I don't go too crazy on the edits. I try not to go too crazy, but I don't have to do this for this image. She didn't request this, but you guys did for the edit. So you guys asked me to do like a word background type vibe. Let me see if I can show you guys one of the previous ones that I did. Alexa, next. Like this, like these right here that you guys can see, the ones that I did like this Aries, Pisces season, stuff like that, Gemini little season, like you guys can see those. So I'm gonna show you guys like type of vibe of that. So literally, all right, so let's see, we're gonna see what we have here. Pull up on my mind like my top missing. Okay, so literally we have the first image. We're going to duplicate that image, Command J, and then it's going to duplicate it, and you can see the second image that I just brought up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click either remove background or select subject. When you hit select subject, we're going to do it this way because usually the other way I did it in the other VFX was I just hit select subject, but this time I'm going to hit remove. I'm gonna hit remove. I'm gonna hit select subject so that way you see what it selects. And then if you hit Q, so you're gonna tap Q, it's gonna turn everything red. So now it's everything red. Whatever you were to color in red would be selected. So like say for example, like her head right here is too much. I don't want that. So I could just go to the erase tool, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the size of this smaller, and I'm gonna erase that red. You see that? See how we erase that red? And then you can even go up here and change the feather and the flow and the smoothing of it. But if it's like too sharp for the edges, you could go ahead and do that. Now we can remove that just like that. Boom. Get as close as you can. You see her little elbow right here, a little piece right there. Command plus plus, command plus plus. And we can go ahead and zoom in and just drop this right on out of there. You see that? Nice and easy, nice and cool, because sometimes it doesn't select perfectly because she's on the same color background as her, like what she's wearing. She's wearing like brown and gold. So the background is the same type of vibe as the brown and gold that we're seeing. So literally like that, boom, got that part out of there. Boom, gonna get this part out of there too. Bam, there we go. All right, now what else is selected? Probably like here, right here. Is this glitching? I hate when this glitches on me, man. When it glitches on me, it's like, oh, I hate when it glitches on me. Command 0. Nope. This means that the screen record just might not save, no cap. It might not save. We got to see. Let's see. We're going to exit out this one, and I'm going to hit save. All right, we're going to do it again, y'all. We're going to try it again. We're going to try it again. We're going to try it again. Let's see if the screen record saves. I'm going to exit out the screen record and then start it back again. If it ever blinks it back out, literally all you have to do is go back here, you right click this and then edit in Photoshop again, and it's going to open it back up. So it's going to go right here, boom. So this is where we were prior. It took us right back to where we were. This part of her leg looks like it needs a little bit of erasing. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. If you hold the space bar and you swipe, like you can like move it around. See how it's like connected with her leg right here. This low key doesn't matter. This whole little part doesn't really matter because I'm not going to be putting it up down there. But I want to show you guys just how to, like, you know, take it away and put it back. But look, boom, like that. And if I wanted to draw it back, I would go here, to the brush tool. Go to brush tool. Where's my cursor at? There you go. Brush tool. And then I'm gonna make my brush tool smaller. Hit Q again. If you just press Q, it goes on and off. So you press Q again. You're gonna go here, and then you're gonna choose the color red. You're gonna hit OK, and now literally you just draw it in right here. So wherever you draw red at is where it's gonna select that. You know what I'm saying? If I drew red over her body, it would select over her body. But when you hit Q again, it'll show that it's selected less. You know what I'm saying? And now what you could do is right here, we're going to go Command 0 to zoom it out, and now we're going to hit this little mask button, and it's going to create a mask of her. So it just made a mask of her. That's the same thing that it does when you hit background or remove background, creates a mask. Now there's a layer available to be below her. So we're going to click the below layer, hit the plus to go right under her, and now we can go to the text, right? And then we're going to go ahead and drop the text for us to put right behind her head, like that. Boom. And what are we going to say? We're going to say Cancer season, something like that, right? Not in red though, like I don't know, I want white. Okay. And then you could change your font, whatever font you want. I usually have fonts downloaded, but I don't know where they're at right now. So hold on, wait, that was a cute one I just thought I saw. This one right here is kind of cute, right? Maybe if it wasn't as like big, or maybe if it was more big, right? Let me see. Because you can make it bigger, right? Let's say for example we go to 48. It makes it bigger. You got to zoom it out. Enter, and then go to the pointer. Hold Command, and you can move it as you please. And then now you can literally go Command J, hide the lower layer. You're gonna hit this one right here. You're gonna right click it, and then you're gonna go to rasterize type. So now it's gonna make it like a PNG. So now you can Command T it, right? And you can go like however you want. You can unlock this part right here, and now you can drag it down more, literally like that behind her head for however like kind of vibe you want, like whatever you want it to look. If you want it like that, if you want it more behind her, you know what I'm saying? So like that. It really however you want to do it. So if you want to do it like this, you can do it like this. You want to zoom it out a little bit more, you can. Alexa, next. It's very, very vulgarity music. I apologize, you guys. But let's see. It can go behind her knee a little bit. I feel like Alexa, turn down 3. Zoom it over, just like that. Boom. And I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm really gonna go Command J now because you guys asked for a shadow. Go below the bottom one, and then I'm gonna go. Let me see. Alexa, stop. Now I'm gonna go. Hold on, move this one out of the way real quick. Bet. So now the below one. I'm gonna go to, where is it at? Normal. I'm gonna change the type that I want of it. You really do like whatever you want, low key. But what I'm thinking is you could do divide. Hold on. Lumosity. That's kind of cool. Alright, so I'll go to subtraction, and I'm going to move this one back over the top of it. But I'm going to zoom in more. The more you zoom in, like the more control you have over it. And I'm literally going to just like go over a little bit, just like that, Command 0. And now you can go and change the opacity of this down to like, less. Oh, not the top opacity, the bottom opacity down to like less. And it'll make it more of like a shadow. And then with this same exact shadow, what you can go and do now is go to filter. You're going to go to blur, and then you're going to go to Gaussian blur. Or you could do motion, really up to you. And then that Gaussian blur is what's going to like make it look like boosting up the sides, the back and stuff like that to make it look like that. So that's kind of cool. And you can just hit enter, and boom, there you go. Nice little Cancer season. But if you want to like dress it up a little bit, what you could also do is you can go to, let's see, probably download like a texture pack or something. Like if you wanted something else, you probably download like a texture pack. Basic blues, reds, pinks, greens, oranges. What about this one? You can play like a texture pack over it. These are texture packs. Like you just literally select that, and this is an adjustment layer, and you would just attach it to that adjustment layer. So boom, like literally like this. It's not hard, y'all. You just got to know what you don't already know. So we can go like here. There's like all the oranges. This was kind of cute. This one's even cute right here. Kind of play around with that. That's also lit. Yeah, it's also lit. Yeah, these are so cool. I love these. And then right here, like, shows you like the ones that you did before, so you could like go back to them if you want to go back right here. But yeah, so that's really like kind of like it for that. And you could like dress it up how you really want. Let me see. Pinks, purples, reds, oranges. What else do they have? Grays, cloud, iridescent maybe. Iridescent looks cool sometimes. Oh, that one. Boom. Found it. All right. Literally, I want this one right here, and I'm going to do it more towards this way. The gradient, more of the gold, less of the, what's the name? Boom. Just like that. Literally. Y'all be asking for Photoshop tutorials. Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I just learned this right here with y'all at the same exact time. Yeah. Yeah. But, now you could go. I just learned this right with y'all. Go right to the one below it. Command J that bit. Right. And now we got a duplicated layer of that below it. Hold on, wait. Which one? Hold on, wait. What did I just duplicate? Did I just duplicate the top layer or the bottom layer? Hold on, wait. What did I just duplicate? Command T. Okay, I didn't mean to duplicate that. I want to duplicate this one. This is the shadow layer, right? Command J. Yeah, on the shadow layer. Now I'm going to go to the shadow layer below the shadow layer. I'm going to go to filter. I'm going to go to blur, gallery, and then I'm going to go to motion blur, right? And I'm going to hit it up. See what the vibe's talking about. But I low-key wanted to go one direction. Yeah, there we go. Boom, and I'm gonna hit okay. Then I can like go down in the opacity of this one if I really want to not make it look too crazy, too much crazy, and boom. We low-key got a good edit right there, boys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how to touch the body. And literally what I do is when I create this, always I select this image, I hold command, I go select, I select all of these, right? Scroll up, select, holding command the whole time. When you scroll, you gotta like let go of the command. And I will command G, make that a group, command J, right? But you would like to command H. I did not mean to do that. Command J for that group. Now command E to merge them together. Now command shift X to go ahead and do a little body morphing. Excuse me. Bring that stomach in there a little bit more. Bring that back in there a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. You see, yeah. Command. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. You see that right there? All this right here. Nice little quick, little easy little tutorial. Little 15-minute. A nice little quick little to the point 15-minute. You know what I'm saying? Boom, command 0. You're welcome. Video done. But yeah, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Then I hit enter. And literally you see the before. Hold on, I'm gonna close this one too. You see the before, you see the after. You know what I'm saying? And literally I go file, export, right? Quick export is PNG. And I will export this as a PNG image. You know what I mean? Yeah. Save. Boom. Export that bit as a PNG image, and you chilling. You good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I might show y'all a little something else. I'm gonna give y'all a gem, right? Boom. We gonna click here. We gonna click here, right? I'm gonna give y'all a gem. We gonna go to filter. We gonna go to neural filters. Don't tell nobody about this right now. Yes, it's on YouTube, so it's a lot of people gonna see this, but don't tell nobody about this. You see that right there? Skin smoothing. Turn it on. Don't tell nobody about this. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody I told y'all about this. This for y'all only. Y'all see how her face just changed? Hold on, look. Before, after. Before, after. Don't tell nobody I'm telling y'all, don't nobody know about this part, bro. There's so many different little things right here. This my secret. And I'm gonna hit OK. Literally, and it's going I'm gonna hit enter again. I'm gonna hit enter. Hold on. I'm gonna command D to deselect. Literally, look, I'm showing y'all, look, before, after. Ooh boy, you see that right there? Yeah, so let me know if y'all want to see more tutorials like this, man. I will keep them coming for you guys. This is actually a fun one to do. I like doing more fun tutorials, so whatever else you guys ask for, I'm promoting, I'm doing it, I'm pushing, I'm dropping that heat, okay? So make sure to share a photographer or a videographer that may find the information is helpful. Until next time, taxi!